A very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am here with chapter 13, exercise 13.2, question number 7. Question number 1 to 6 we have done in our previous video. Today we will start question number 7. Question number 7 is that the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find the inner covered surface area. A cylindrical well having diameter 3.5 meter, height 10 meter. If diameter is 3.5, then radius will be half of diameter, 3.5 upon 2. Its height equals to 10 meter. Then covered surface area. Covered surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. This will be equals to 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5 upon 2. H is 10. 3.5 cancel by 7. 0.5. 2 is cancelled by this 2. 22 into 5 equals to 110. 0.5 into 10, 5. 5 into 22, 110. Another condition is that find the cost of plastering this covered surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Rate is given rupees 40 per meter square, means at 1 meter square rupees 40. So we can say that at the 110 meter square total cost will be 110 into 40. Total cost equals to area into rate. Area into rate. Area is 110 and rate is 40. 11 into 4, 44. 0 and 0, 20. Rupees 4400. So the total cost of plastering this inner covered surface area will be rupees 4400. Question number 7 is complete and we are going towards question number 8, which says that in a hot water system, a cylindrical pipe having length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the area of the total radiating surface. Means area of that part which give radiations, not total surface area. 28 meter and diameter is 5 centimeter. Diameter of cylindrical pipe is 5 centimeter. It is 28 meter long. Find the area of that part which give radiations, means find its covered surface area. Here diameter equals to 5 centimeter. Then radius will be half of diameter equals to 5 upon 2 centimeter and height equals to 28 meter. Area of that part which give radiations means covered surface area of this cylindrical pipe. Here length is given in meter. In case of cylinder you can say that length or height is given in meter, but radius is given in centimeter. First convert this unit into meter. 5 upon 200 meter. 2 into 100, 200. 5 upon 200 meter. Now put here 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 5 upon 200. H is 28. 7 1 7, 7 4 28. 2 by 100. 4 by 25. 5 1 5, 5 5 25. 22 upon 5. 22 upon 5 equals to 4.4 meter square. So we can say that area of the pipe that give radiations will be 4.4 meter square. Question number 8 is complete. We are going towards question number 9. Find the lateral or covered surface area of a closed cylindrical tank. Means the tank is closed and in the shape of cylinder. Find its lateral or covered surface area. Diameter is given 4.2 meter. Height is given 4.5 meter. Diameter is given, height is given. You have to find out its lateral or covered surface area. Here diameter equals to 4.2 meter. Then we can say that radius of this pipe will be 4.2 upon 2 equals to 2.1 meter. Its height is given 4.5 meter. Then its lateral or covered surface area will be 2 pi r h equals to 2 into 22 by 7. R is 2.1, h is 4.5. 7 1 7, 2.1, 0.3. 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 4.5. This will be equals to 59.4 meter square. I have already calculated these terms. You can do calculation itself. This will be equals to 59.4 meter square. After that, find its total surface area. Covered surface area will be 59.4. Then its total surface area. Total surface area equals to 2 pi r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 2.1 into 2.1 plus h is 4.5. 7 1 7, 0.3. This will be equals to 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 2.1 plus 4.5 equals to 6.6. After calculating these terms, 87.12 meter square comes. Means total surface area of this closed cylindrical tank is 87.12 meter square. Now a condition is also given which says that how much steel was actually used. If 1/12 of this steel was wasted in making the tank, let the steel purchase to make this tank equals to x square unit. After purchasing its 1/12 part wasted, then the remaining part this used to make this closed cylindrical tank. So we can say that x part is purchased, its 1/12 part is wasted. Then 1/12 of x equals to x upon 12. X part is purchased, x upon 12 is waste. Then the remaining part, after wasted, remaining part will be x minus x upon 12. This part is used to make the closed cylindrical tank. This will be equals to, this term is solved by taking LCM. 12 is LCM, 12x minus x, 11x upon 12. Means 11x upon 12 part is used to make this closed cylindrical tank, and 11x upon 12 equals to 87.12 meter square. First may I erase this. 11x upon 12. This part is used to make the closed cylindrical tank equals to 87.12. X will be 12 goes in multiply and 11 comes in divide. After solving this term, 95.04 comes. So the total steel actual purchased will be 95.04. Its 12th part is wasted. After wasted, 87.12 meter square used to make this closed cylindrical tank. Question number 9 is complete. We are going towards question number 10. Question number 10 is that, first may I erase this question number 9. Question number 10 is that a lampshade is made. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 cm. Diameter is 20 centimeter. And height 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it to over its top and bottom of the frame to cover the lampshade. A margin of 2.5 is taken at its top and bottom. How much cloth is required for covering the lampshade? How much cloth is required to covering the lampshade? Means you have to find out the area of cloth required to cover this lampshade. Here diameter is 20 centimeter. Diameter of this lampshade equals to 20 centimeter. Then radius will be half of diameter equals to 10 centimeter. Now height 2.5 this part and 2.5 this part. Now height is not 30 centimeter. 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. After taking this margin, height of the complete lampshade will be 30. Height of this lampshade will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 5. 5 plus 30 35. So height of this lampshade will be 35 centimeter. 2.5 on its bottom and 2.5 on its top. So total height will be 35 centimeter. Now the area of cloth required to cover this lampshade means covered surface area of this lampshade will be 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7. Here r is 10, h is 35. 7 1 7, 7 5 35. 5 into 2 10, 10 into 10 100, 100 into 22 equals to 2200 centimeter square. So the area of